जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Bhishma's father,
Shantanu.
Bhishma's mother,
Ganga.
Boon given to Bhishma by
Shantanu.
daughter of Dhritarashtra.
Dusala.
Great war lasted for
18
King
days.
Shantanu's first wife,
Ganga.
second wife,
Satyavati.
Satyavati's occupation,
Vishnubrahman.
Satyavati's father,
Dashraj.
Bhishma's guru,
Parshuram.
Mahabharata recited by
Vedyas.
Mahabharata written by
Ganesha.
Karna's father,
Adhirata.
Karna's mother,
Radha.
Adhirata's occupation,
Charioteer.
Bhishma's name Vanya,
Devavrat.
Eklavya's Guru Dakshina,
Right thumb.
Gandhari's kids,
Henderson's water.
Satyavati's first son,
Vyasa.
Vyasa's father,
Parashara.
Pandu's first wife,
Kunti.
Pandu's second wife,
Madri.
Krishna's helper Duryodhana,
Narayani
Krishna's
Sena.
helper Arjuna,
Krishna.
Madri's brother,
Shalya.
Kunti's other name,
Brita.
Kunti's first son,
Karna.
Karna's other name,
Radhaya.
blind king in Mahabharata,
Dhritarashtra.
Dhritarashtra's son with his maid,
Yutsu.
Bhishma meaning,
A man of terrible oath.
ornaments given to Karna by sun god,
Kavachkundla.
Bhishma's stepbrother,
Chitrangada and Vichitra video.
Duryodhana trick into joining his side,
Shalya.
vowed to kill Bhishma in next birth,
Princess Amba.
Amba's next birth,
Shikandi.
Amba's sisters,
Ambika Ambalika.
Ambika Malika married to
Vichitra Virya.
Iravan's father,
Arjun.
Iravan's mother,
Ulupi.
Bakasur's son,
Alambusha.
mantra to invoke gods was given to Kunti,
by Durvasa.
Ashwin twin kids,
Nakul Sahadev.
Iravan killed by
Alambusha.
Karna learned archery from
Pasham.
Amba Ambika's kingdom,
Kashi.
Bhima's grandson,
Barbaric.
Barbari's guru,
Krishna.
3 arrows given to Barbaric,
My Lord Shiva.
Barbari's guru Dakshina,
Severed head.
greatest friendship in Mahabharata,
Karna and Duryodhana.
Duryodhana's gift to Karna,
Anga Kingdom.
Ambika's son,
Dhritarashtra.
Ambalika's son,
Pandu.
Ambika's maid's son,
Vidur.
taught Arjuna the Brahmas,
Dronacharya.
Draupad's yajna for his son performed by
Rishipash.
Drupad's son,
Drishtadyum.
Draupad's daughter,
Draupadi.
Eklavya's father,
Hiranyadanu.
Hiranyadanu is king of
Nishala.
Gandhari's brother,
Shakuni.
warrior shot the first arrow thus beginning the war,
Dusarasan.
Draupadi's other name,
Panchali.
Krishna's sister,
Subhadra.
Subhadra's son,
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu is killed in
Chakrayava.
venerable sage who fought Bhishma,
Parshuram.
house of flag built by
Purochar.
house of flag built in,
Vanavrat.
saved Pandava's house of flag,
Vidur.
expert of game of dice,
Shakuni.
mother of Gatotkacha,
Hidimbi.
Arjuna's bow,
Gandiv.
Gandhi presented by
Varna.
Karna's charioteer in war,
Shalya.
Arjuna's charioteer,
Krishna.
Arjuna's other name,
Dhananjaya.
great warriors and the fatal arrows which pierced Bhishma,
Arjun.
warrior on the Pandava side died on the first day,
Uttar.
Jarasan killed by
Bhima.
well-known charioteer of Dhritarashtra,
Sanjaya.
why did Pandava goes into exile,
Lost game of dice.
Yudhishthira performed a yajna,
Rajsi Yagna.
Yudhishthira offered first worship at the time of Vyapsi yajna,
Krishna.
Duryodhana's son,
Lakshman.
Rakshasa killed by Bhima in Ekchakra,
Bakasur.
wife of Duryodhana,
Bhanumati.
shot the first arrow that killed Bhishma,
Shikandi.
Pandavas went in exile,
13 years.
Drona's father,
Bharadwaja.
soldiers and warriors is Bhishma said to have killed each day,
10,000.
capital of Panchal,
Kampilya.
died of snake attack,
Parikshit.
name of snake,
Takshaka.
Narana's specialty,
Shudravit's
Narana's used by,
Ashwatthama.
they have already did Bhishma fall,
10th.
Balram's weapon,
Pillow.
father of Shri Krishna,
Vasudev.
commander of Kauravas after Bhishma,
Dronacharya.
broken Manjaravan bows of Drona,
Satyaki.
Lord Krishna's foster mother,
Yashoda.
foster father,
Nanda.
mother of Sakuntala,
Menaka.
Ajnatavas means,
1 year in cognition.
Pandavas spent Ajnatavas in,
Virat Kingdom.
Virat queen,
Sudeshna.
Sudeshna's brother,
Kichak.
killed Kichak,
Vallabha.
Yudhishthira's name in exile,
Kanka.
Bhima's name,
Vallabha.
Arjuna's name,
Brahanala.
Nakula's name,
Grantika.
Sahadev's name,
Tantripala.
Draupadi's name,
Sairendri.
Sairendri meaning,
Expert maid.
real name of Mahabharata,
Jaya.
Bhishma ka,
Krishna's father-in-law.
Rukmini's brother,
Rukmi.
insulted Acharya Drona,
King Drupad.
Krishna's name as charioteer of Arjuna,
Pathsathi.
Bhima's new Ashwatthama, what was Ashwatthama?
Elephant.
Apsara wanted to marry Arjuna when in Indralok,
Urvashi.
last commander of Kaurava army,
Ashwatthama.
Yudhishthira's weakness,
Gambling.
unique vision to narrate the happening of war,
Sanjay.
killed Gatotkacha,
Karna.
Astra used to kill Gatotkacha,
Vasav Shakti.
first commander of Kaurava army,
Bhishma.
second commander,
Drona.
third commander,
Karna.
fourth commander,
Shalya.
fifth commander,
Ashwatthama.
commander of Pandava army,
Drishtadyum.
Arjuna's conch,
Devdutt.
Krishna's conch,
Pachacharya.
Karna's conch,
Hiranyagarbha.
Bhishma's conch,
Shashanka.
Bhima's conch,
Pandra.
Nakula's conch,
Shubhashmani.
Bhishma chose a particular time for death,
Uttarayan.
Parshuram other name,
Bhargava.
which Muni did Pandu kill in forest,
Rishikantama.
Rishikindama's form and killed,
Deer.
other name for Draupadi,
Krishna.
Indraprast's architect,
Maya.
Krishna cursed by,
Gandhari.
Astra took Arjuna from Lord Shiva,
पाशुपतास्त्र
Karna's bow.
विजय
Guru for Pandavas and Kauravas.
द्रोणाचार्य
Strength of 1,000 elephants.
भीमा
Gave Gandhiva to Arjuna.
फायर गॉड
Mahabharata story took place.
कुरुक्षेत्र
Name of Pandava twins.
नकुल सहदेव
Kamsa's father.
उग्रसेन
Kamsa sent Dash to kill Krishna.
पुत्रा
Who taught Kunti the mantras that help beget children.
सेज दुर्वासा
Known as Vasavi.
सत्यवती
Capital city of Kuru dynasty.
हस्तिनापुर
Succeeded in stopping Janmejaya from destroying all serpents.
अस्की
Cursed Parikshit that he would die bitten by a snake.
श्रृंगी
Conducting Sarvegna.
जन्मजय
Total shlokas in Mahabharata.
10,07
Persons survived in Great Mahabharata war.
108
People from Kaurav side did survive.
3
People from Pandava side survived.
7
Cursed Janmejaya that he would have unseen fear.
सर्मा
Years Vyasa completed composing Mahabharata.
3 years
Forest did Bhima slaughter Bakasura.
वैद्यकिया
Cursed Firebird that he would become omnivore.
भृगु
Elder brother of Garuda became charioteer of sun god.
अरुणा
Satyavati southern name.
मत्स्यगंधा
Father of Satyaki.
सजका
Father of Kritavarma.
हिदिका
Father of Kripa.
गौतमा
Name of Drona's wife.
कृपी
Fifth son of Hiranyakashipu.
पाष्कल
Drishtadyumna killed by.
अश्वत्थामा
Called as Ushana.
शुक्राचार्य
Name of Ramba's mother.
प्रधा
Father of 11 Rudras.
कश्यपा
Mother of 11 Rudras.
सुरभि
Born from right thumb of Brahma.
दक्षा
Vishwakarma born to.
प्रभासा
Name of Gadotkacha's son.
अंजन पर्वन
Vidya for capturing king of elephants.
अंजलिक वेद
Krishna forgave 100 sins.
शिशुपाल
Shishpal was king of.
क्षति
Shishpal was born with.
4 arms and 3 eyes
Forest where Vidura meet Pandavas.
काम्यका
Cursed Duryodhana that Bhima will break his thighs and mace.
मैत्रेय
City established by Yudhishthira.
इंद्रप्रस्थ
Vyasa taught a Vidya to Yudhishthira.
प्रतिस्मृति
Mountain where Arjuna had the vision of Indra.
इंद्रकिला
Rishi who cursed Parikshit.
श्रृंगी
Other name of Vasishtha.
अपवा
Son of Samavarna and Tapti.
कुरु
Drupad other name.
यज्ञसेना
Whose Samsha was Duryodhana.
कली